Alright, I'm using my little titanium 125. I'm fixing to, I have to take the tire and stuff off so I can get up in underneath there and do some welding. Alright, I got her welded up now. Put a brace in there. And a brace right there. And one right there. And I got one right here. And I got it welded in the back. Alright, I got the tire off the other side. I'm fixing to crawl up underneath there and weld her in. I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Alright, I got her welded up. Got the tire back on. Got my bracings in. Got me ground clearance. Now, I got to do the wiring in the inside, and then I'll be done. Alright everyone, this is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. with another video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. It ain't much, but I mean, you know, I try to do it a little bit every day. But, summertime haircut, woo! Alright, y'all. Y'all take it easy. I'll see y'all in the next video. Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. out.